Do you think you know your kitchen tools? Wait until you see what we've got lined up. Some of these might just surprise you. Ready to test your skills and discover a few secrets along the way? Let's dive in. This tool can blend everything, but do you know what it is? It's a blender, perfect for making smoothies and mixing fruits and vegetables. This tool is great for whipping things up. Can you name it? It's a whisk. You can use it to mix ingredients quickly. This tool easily removes the skin from fruits. But what's it called? It's a peeler, great for peeling fruits and vegetables. These tools help you measure ingredients precisely. Do you know what they are? These are measuring cups, essential for accurate cooking. This tool shreds everything into tiny pieces. What is it? It's a grater. Use it to shred cheese, vegetables, and more. This tool drains water from food. Do you know what it is? It's a colander, perfect for rinsing vegetables or draining pasta. Now that you've met all the tools, let's take one last look at them. Blender, whisk, peeler, measuring cups, grater, colander. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed it, please like, share it with your friends, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos.